The world as we know it is disappearing. AI isn't just coming, it's already replacing millions of jobs. But while others fear the future, a tiny 1% is using these same tools to build massive wealth. Today, I'm showing you the exact 5 AI tools that will change your financial life in 2026. Don't be left behind. First on our list is NVIDIO AI. This tool is a goldmine for creators. You can literally turn a simple prompt into a full-scale video with captions, music, and visuals. People are using this to run entire faceless channels just like this one, earning thousands in ad revenue every month without ever showing their face. Check the link in the description to try this tool. Next up is Midjourney. This is the king of AI image generation. From professional logos to stunning website designs, the possibilities are endless. You can sell these designs on platforms like Etsy or Fiverr, or even create high-end brand identities for businesses that are willing to pay top dollar for AI-powered creativity. Work smarter. And check the description to test this tool now. Number 3 is ElevenLabs, the very tool that's powering the voice you're hearing right now. High-quality AI voices are in huge demand for audiobooks, podcasts, and video ads. By offering voiceover services or creating automated content, you can tap into a massive market that values speed and professional quality. Transform your workflow and check the link in the description to try this tool. Fourth is Perplexity AI. Think of it as ChatGPT on steroids with real-time internet access. This is your ultimate productivity partner. You can use it to conduct deep market research, write high-converting sales copy, or even find winning stock picks. Time is money, and this tool saves you hours of work. Master your craft and get the tool in the description. Finally, we have Chatbase. This tool allows you to build custom AI chatbots for businesses using their own data. Companies are desperate to automate their customer service, and you can charge them a monthly subscription to manage their AI bots. It's a pure passive income model. This is your new favorite tool. Check the link in the description. The future belongs to those who embrace these tools, not those who fear them. All the links are in the description below. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button and join the 1% who are building the future. See you in the next video.